Fatty liver disease, also known as hepatic steatosis, is the most prevalent condition that can affect anyone regardless of age, gender, or lifestyle. It simply means an accumulation of excess fat in the liver cells. While some amount of fat is normal for the liver, having more than 5 to 10% of the liver's weight as fat can lead to severe complications such as liver damage and even liver failure. It is a silent killer, as it often shows little to no symptoms until it has reached its advanced stages. But it doesn't mean that you have to live with it forever. Early detection and proper management can help reverse this condition. In fact, recent studies have shown that you can actually reduce your liver fat by 50% in just 2 weeks. In this video, we will discuss how you can achieve this feat and take control of your liver health in just 14 days. So, without more ado, let's get started. What is this study all about? Well, this study was conducted by researchers from the University of Gothenburg and Sahlgrenska University Hospital in Sweden to investigate the effects of a 14-day intervention diet on liver fat reduction. The subjects were put on a carbohydrate-restrictive diet, also known as the ketogenic diet, where they consumed less than 30 grams of carbohydrates per day. They found that this diet resulted in a decrease of liver fat by an impressive 43.8% in individuals with obesity and non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. This means that the liver fat was reduced by almost half in just 2 weeks. But what exactly is a ketogenic diet? Well, it is a high-fat, low-carbohydrate, and moderate protein diet that has been gaining popularity in recent years for its numerous health benefits. When you drastically limit your carbohydrate intake, your body enters a state of ketosis, where it starts burning fat for energy instead of glucose. This results in the production of ketones, which are byproducts of fat burning and can be used as fuel. Hence the term keto or ketogenic diet. However, there are concerns about the traditional forms of this diet, which may use low-quality nutrients. That's why the lead investigators of this study have coined the term healthy keto to differentiate it from the traditional forms and emphasize the use of quality, high-nutrient ingredients. So, how does this diet help reduce liver fat? Now, there are several interesting things about this study that can help us understand how this diet helps reduce liver fat. Firstly, there wasn't much weight loss. On average, there was only about a 1.8% weight loss, which is pretty insignificant, and even there was no change in waist circumference at all. This is incredibly valuable information to have at your fingertips. If you started a ketogenic diet and you lost hardly any weight in the first week, and there was no change in your waist measurement, it's easy to become discouraged and think that the diet is not working for you. However, this study shows that there are other mechanisms at work within your body that can still lead to a reduction in liver fat and improved overall health. One of the key findings in this study is that the body prioritizes getting rid of liver fat and organ fat before targeting other types of fat. This means that even if you don't see significant weight loss or changes in your waistline, your body may still be effectively reducing liver fat. The study found that this reduction in liver fat was due to a decrease in the process of de novo lipogenesis, which is when the body converts carbohydrates into fat. This process saw a 79.8% decrease, indicating that the participants' bodies were not producing as much fat from carbohydrates on this diet. In addition to this, the study also showed a significant increase in fatty acid oxidation, which is the process of burning fat for energy. This increase was almost 5 times higher than before the participants started the ketogenic diet. Now, there are also some other very interesting things that the study uncovered. Firstly, the participants who followed the ketogenic diet did not lower their calorie intake. In fact, they were consuming an average of over 3,000 calories per day, which is, of course, not a low-calorie diet. So, how is it possible that they still experienced a reduction in liver fat? The study found that there were significant improvements in markers for liver damage, such as lower fasting insulin levels and lower HOMA-IR, which is a measure of insulin resistance. These results suggest that the ketogenic diet can improve insulin sensitivity and reduce the risk of liver damage. However, perhaps one of the most interesting findings in this study was the impact on gut health and bacteria. The participants experienced significantly lower levels of liver inflammation and a rapid increase in both folate-producing bacteria and folate levels in their blood. This is important because folate plays a crucial role in liver fat metabolism and can help keep inflammation at bay. The study also found that the ketogenic diet had a direct impact on gut bacteria, with 94 bacterial strains being altered after just 1 day of following the diet. In simple terms, this diet does not make you slim and trim, but instead it targets specific mechanisms in the body to reduce liver fat and improve overall health. So, what food to avoid when following a healthy keto diet? As mentioned earlier, a healthy keto diet is made up of high-quality, nutrient-dense ingredients, so anything that does not fit into this category should be avoided. This includes processed and packaged foods, which often contain harmful additives, preservatives, and added sugars. These can interfere with your body's natural processes and hinder the effectiveness of the diet in reducing liver fat. Sugar is one of the main culprits to avoid when following a healthy keto diet. This includes all forms of sugar, such as table sugar, high fructose corn syrup, honey, and even natural sweeteners like maple syrup. These types of sugar can cause spikes in blood sugar levels and contribute to inflammation and other health issues. Also, high sugar intake can lead to other severe health conditions, such as diabetes, heart disease, and obesity, which can lead to liver damage. Therefore, cutting out sugar entirely is crucial for a successful keto diet. But if you don't want to completely cut out sweets, there are some acceptable alternatives like stevia, non-GMO erythritol, and xylitol. In addition to sugar, grains and starches should also be avoided on a healthy keto diet. This includes foods like bread, pasta, rice, oats, quinoa, and potatoes. These types of carbs can quickly spike your blood sugar levels and hinder the body's ability to enter ketosis, which is a state where the body burns fat for energy instead of glucose. However, some low-carb and high-fiber foods like crisp, thin rye crisp bread can be consumed in small quantities without negatively affecting ketosis. Finally, fruits that you should avoid on a keto diet include apples, bananas, pineapples, pears, dates, figs, grapes, and fruit juices, like orange, grape, apple juice, and even tomato juice. By avoiding or limiting these foods, you can successfully reduce liver fat and improve overall health on a healthy keto diet in just a few short weeks. To put it simply, our liver is a vital organ that plays a crucial role in our overall health, and having excess liver fat can lead to various health issues. However, this study shows that following a low-carbohydrate diet can improve liver fat metabolism in non-alcoholic fatty liver disease patients, promote a healthier gut microbiota, and increase circulating folate levels. But before starting any diet, it is always essential to consult with a healthcare professional to determine if it's suitable for your specific needs and health goals. Also, one thing that I want to clarify is that the information provided in this video is collected from credible scientific research, specifically the study published on PubMed Central and the National Center for Biotechnology Information. If you want to learn more about the study, I have provided the link in the description below. We really hope this video helped you to understand the benefits of a healthy keto diet for reducing liver fat and improving overall health. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health-related content.